tired all the time. Headaches come and go. Stressed with work. Overwhelmed. Can't seem to get the energy for anything. The body aches and pains. You want to just sleep for 2 months straight and hope that when you wake up, all your problems or issue you're facing will be all gone. You can try now solutions for free from Ask Your Heart session. Visit our site and try it now. It is easy. You simply pick up numbers connected to the inner wisdom of your heart. Try it now. Visit scalarheartconnection.com. Go to the free Ask Your Heart preview session. Select the language of your choice. Scroll down. Register for the newsletter. Again, select your language of preference for your newsletter. And then ask your heart. Select a number. If you want, you can download the app and you can practice. It's easy to find a solution from your heart. Try it now.